guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nell. For those of you that don't know, if you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', what it do? So today I'm doing a video of installing I'm doing what is it called, a pondo, hair, a ponytail in English. Yes, a ponytail in English. So I've already prepped my hair, put it back. I'm not doing a high pony, I'm doing a low pony. As you can see, Easy Waves Oil Sheen Comb Out Conditioner hair. Went in with the Easy Waves Curl Activator Gel with Glycerine, which is this one. It's the gel. That I went in with this olive oil nourishing sheen spray, hair sheen spray. Provides natural, healthy sheen to dry, thirsty hair. So it makes your hair like shine. Without talking too much, let's get into the video. So, in this video, I used this comb to comb my hair, and then I went in with the brush, this brush, to brush my hair back, and I put it in a low pony. Before you do your hair, you must put it in kind of like a tight pony, right? And then you're gonna section a bit of this, like a small part, to like tie around the pony to make sure that it's secure. And then you're gonna use a pin, like a, what do you call it, a bobby pin, to just secure the first part, and then after wrapping it around your head, you're gonna, so once you secured it with that little part that I showed you, all you do is basically go round and round. So I'm gonna do the first part of going round and round. Guys, this takes a lot of time, like literally a lot of time. Always make sure you leave like a little piece just to like secure it, so that you can't see like the contractions. So yeah, this is the amount that I would normally leave. Not too big, not too small, just the right amount, so that they don't see the hair. Leave a bit more extra, like the whole bottom piece. Yeah, that's what you do. You go around, and go around, and then the small piece that you get, you use a bobby pin, and you just, let's see if I can secure it. Just secure it. Hopefully it's secured. See guys, I didn't comb it obviously, but this is a pondo basically. So I just need to comb it out, and then I've got a pondo. But yeah, this is what it looks like. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to tell your people, to tell their people, to tell their people to like this video. And I hope you enjoyed, and see you in my next video. Bye.